Oh my gosh, this weather. This weather is crazy. It's bipolar here in Ohio. Bipolar. 1 minute it wants to be super hot, and next minute it wants to be cold. So, let's see what this looks like. Look at that. She's so pretty. Okay, let's swatch this. Oh, it's like a clear kind of. Let me see what it looks like on my lips. It looks like a little lip gloss. It's not color pigment. It's more just for the sparkles. It has sparkles in it, so it's a more color pigment. I don't wear a lot of lip gloss that has just sparkles in it. Actually, I don't own any lip gloss that just has sparkles in it like this. But so it'll be interesting. I wish this was colored pigment with the pink and the sparkles, or just the pink, and I would like this would be my favorite. But you know, I could still work with that. Still try to work with that. Then powder and soft glow. These are precious. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I don't even know how to open it, but this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love how these look. And I need some new brushes, like I really do. Need some more new brushes. These are just so pretty. I love this. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love these. So you have those. Then we have a palette. No, let's say a palette for last. So this is Superhero. This is Elastic Stretch Volume Mascara. 96. Say lashes look stretched. Let's look at the wand. I'm so about the wand on mascara. It does not make no sense. Like I don't know why I like the real big wand that has like the, oh, it has a little curve in it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like the really big ones that has the like the bristles are really big. CoverGirl has the best one. I don't know why. I just love the wand on it. Not necessarily the mascara, but the wand I love on it. But I'm gonna give this a try though. And I also have to put, my mom has stuff to make your eyelashes grow, and I put this in my I put them in my mascara, and it actually does make your eyelashes grow. I'm not sure what it is, but my mom be having it. So this is Bright All Night Energy Sheet Mask. I love masks. So I'm excited. To Product Skincare, and it comes in a bag. Is this bag for something? Oh my gosh, and I get two. Oh my goodness, these are sheet masks. I am definitely going to be trying these out. Definitely, because I love sheet masks. Look at those. I love the foil in this, but I love sheet masks. So now let's look at the palette we got for this month. Well, not this month, last month. This is Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. I love that. Purple is my favorite color, so anything with purple in it I just love. Like absolutely just love it. This is so pretty. I love this. This is so pretty. I love this. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love those shades. I'm more of a brown and silver person when I wear eyeshadow anyway. Like this is, I love this. That is right up my alley. So my first Boxycharm box. 10 stars. 1,000 stars. I love it. Let's look at March. This is March box. Peace, love, and Boxy. I love this card. And then, yes, it shows everything, how much everything is. So, Appeal lip gloss. I think this is like the same from March box. It looks exactly the same, actually. Just in not how that pink looked. It looks like in a more different color. If I can open it and my fingers stop being stubborn. But this is what it looks like. So you see, it's like, it looks like the exact same like the last box. Like, look at them both together. Different brands though, but they look exactly the same. And I think they're exactly the same. I think it's just a gloss. Yeah. Only thing is, this is thicker in the gloss way. This is thicker. This is thicker and it has less sparkles on your lips. It's weird. But and this is more light and this has more sparkles. This is thicker. But on my lips, I feel like, cause I did put this on my lips, I feel like this is like it's like a matte feel on my lips. Like, I put it on there, it stays. Which, you know, I have no problem with that. Next, we have brushes. This is from Luxie Summer Days brush set. I love the packaging, the Ferris wheel. I love that. Let's open these up. I love these. I love how these feel. So I have 3. They came with 3 of them, and these are the sizes. This is like a blush one, like a blush one. These are eyeshadow ones. I love it. So we have 3 of those. This is a Bodyography Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. So this is what this is. This is the eye pencil. I don't really do the wood ones anymore. I really do like the ones that twist and go up because I don't like sharpening. I guess you can call me lazy, but I don't like sharpening. Oh, that's very, very, very dark. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see that. It's very, 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 very dark. Oh, you have to see, like, oh, put it right here. See, it's like very, oh, my veins are coming out like that. That is disgusting. It's very dark, but it's pretty though. I would definitely wear it. Then this is Artist Culture Diamond Glow Powder. Ooh, wow. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Let's see the color. It's more like a bronze color. But I think this is really pretty. I'm not sure you take this part out or what, because this ain't coming out. Yeah, I can't even swatch this one because I have to get something to pull this out. See if tweezers work. I'm trying to use tweezers, but I don't think it's working. Yeah, I'm gonna poke my eye out. I have to figure that out later. I'm gonna poke my eye out. And last but not least, the palette. Pure Festival. Ooh, I love this. This is so pretty. So pretty. I love it, love it. I can already tell I love these shades. I can already tell. I love it. Oh, look what's on the back of it. Oh, eyeshadow primer on the back of it. Ooh, I love these. This is so pretty. And these are like the shades that I actually wear. That is so weird. Like these shades is what I wear. Actually wear these. And let me see how this swatches. If I can take it off. Let me see. These are put it down. Oh, these are pigment. Oh, I love these. I'm running out of room on my hands. They're really, really pigment. Well, not really, really pigment, but a little bit of pigment. I love these though. And then the glitter ones feel like a little jelly. The glitter ones feel a little jelly. Probably need some glitter glue for it because it's not even sticking all the way onto my hand. But these are really, I like these colors. I probably won't use this Wild Child. This is too bold for me. But I really like these two. These two are really bold for me, so I probably won't use these two. But the rest of these colors on here, oh yeah, I definitely will because I love the brown ones. So that's it for Boxycharm. I hope you like this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. See you later.